thrilled, we're pumped, we're excited to be part of Shop and Glow. It's a really cool, fun, exciting way for us to still have a little bit of the holiday season, despite the fact that things are really different this year. We had really awesome opportunity to work with Electric Playhouse and the amazing, talented people over there to install this really great projected kind of series of scenes on the front window here.
We're really excited to be part of the Shop and Glow, and excited that United invited us down to do the wall behind us here on Central. We've been a part of River of Lights in the past, and it's a really nice way to engage the community in this time when we can't really come together. So being able to do something that faces the public but also is at a safe distance. Been a nice little thing to end the year with for us. 2020 has been a strange year, so it's nice to see this come together. The piece that we put together is a changing, rotating experience that has between 7 and, in the end, probably 20 different visualizations. They're all software generated and very impactful. Some of them pull in some of the United colors and some of the Electric Playhouse colors, but then also will reflect some of the Albuquerque scenery and just New Mexico in general. So over the time of the period of the holidays, the next few weeks, we'll be changing the content pretty much weekly. So if you've seen it once, come back the next week because it'll be different.
So online ordering is in full effect, NewMexicoUTD.com. Check out the shop there. We've got curbside pickup, so you can either call in your order or place your order online. If you call in your order, you can come in here, pick it up right away. We've got everything in stock, ready to go. And if you place your order online, we'll ship it directly to you on your doorstep. You don't have to worry about contact at all.
From all of us at Electric Playhouse, we'd like to wish you a happy and safe holiday season and a happy new year.
From all of us here at New Mexico United, we want to wish you a very happy holiday season, and somos unidos.